What's up, ladies and gents? Today we're going to be talking about last week's trades. Every single one of them probably had three trades. I'm super fucking disappointed in myself. Sorry for swearing. Okay, that was unnecessary. I'm a little disappointed in myself. I was just trying to make it like exaggerated. So, yeah, but no, never mind. Basically, start off with the losses. Um, Last week it was basically break even on one account, and on the other account I made on the other accounts I made a quite good amount of profit. Actually, could have been more. Always can say that because I don't know, the past few weeks my trading has been terrible actually. I know this is the beginning of our challenge. We're trying to hit $10,000 a month by the end of this year. It's an insane goal and that would change the trajectory of my life, but I do think that it is possible. But basically, yeah, beginning of the week, let's check out Bitcoin. I wanted to take this trade where I was betting on everything to go down, to collapse. Um, I opened a short position right there, and I closed right at the top, meaning I took a loss as when it went the opposite way of what I've intended for it to go. And one of them I did hold, which made me an $82 profit, $83 I can't speak English today, ladies and gents. But basically I could have made more, right? And same on the other accounts. Like this account, I think I traded Doge and Bitcoin. Doge did dump a little bit, but then it pumped massively for some reason. And so I didn't get as much profit as I wanted to from that. Most of the profits I did get was from Bitcoin. But basically, um, yeah, I could have done better. So I was basically I shorted here, right? Because I knew price was gonna go back to the psychological ranges. If you guys don't know, the psychological ranges are basically the beginning of the week, and that's the range where people, the market makers, aka the billionaires and trillionaires of the world, like to manipulate price away from. So, for example, price was manipulated away from this area, because the multi-trillionaires wanted the retails to think that price is going to pump to the upside because retail buys as price goes up and sells as price goes down. So over here, the market maker was buying, no, shorting as retail's buying, right? And finally, I started to jump in right here, right around this area. Shorted, I was going to bet on it going down. Also shorted here, was going to bet on it going down. But I closed that one for a loss. Same as the Ethereum one. Um, Basically shorted around about this area right here. And I think it did pump, which I wasn't expecting, but it didn't pump that much. Like I could have definitely held on to that. If I were to just remember my strategy, I would have definitely capitalized in some capitalized more on the whole movement. But anyways, everything is learning, but I have to actually apply what the market teaches me. So because literally last week was probably something similar also. The last few weeks actually, matter of fact. So I need to lock in, ladies and gents, if I want to reach that $10,000 a month mark. So basically on all my live accounts, this is what I came across with. $112.66 in profit. So we want to do a little better than that. We want to make $1,000 at least from a week of trading. That sounds good. That would do something to my life a little bit. That definitely would. But $112, and I'm not requesting a payout. Like, come on. Come on, Kishin. We gotta manifest more. We gotta manifest bigger. And like I'm always getting the trades right. I'm always predicting the right moves. It's just my execution needs some working on. So yeah, ladies and gents, that was all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please join me. Hit subscribe, hit like, and I'll see you on next week, I guess. Good luck with your weeks/days. Bye.